Around 8 million tons of plastic are dumped into the oceans every year, putting marine life under severe threat. Fighting against this is the DIYgirls design company, and that's using fabrics made from recycled plastic waste to produce furniture. The founder of DIYgirls, Vinette Diab, joins me now via Zoom to talk more about this initiative. And thank you so much for your time this morning, Vinette. And perhaps let's start with how important this initiative is when it contributes to us cutting down on the plastic pollution that currently persists in the country.
Good morning, and thank you so much for having me on the show and sharing with you our thoughts. Well, I think at the end of the day, we all have a responsibility towards being kinder to the environment and kinder to our community. We see companies all the time using the word eco-friendly and environmentally friendly, but do people actually do that? Do they put their money where their mouth is? For us at DIYgirls, we made a conscious decision in the manufacture of our furniture to use products that is responsibly sourced and that is eco-friendly, kinder to the environment. I think at the end of the day, it really boils down to every person, every citizen making the choice to be more responsible and to give a little bit back to the environment that gives us so much.
And that's quite important, because that was going to be my next question. While you as DIYgirls are doing what you can to contribute to creating an environmentally friendly platform for everybody, there needs to be more that's done by various stakeholders, whether it be governments or corporate South Africa.
Yes, that's correct. At the end of the day, products are available. We have the science to develop products where they are sourced and manufactured friendly to the environment. And it really is the choice of every person, whether you purchase that, whether you produce that, whether you choose something that is a little bit more eco-friendly. So DIYgirls is an interior design company, and we manufacture furniture and also soft furnishings made specifically to order in the size, color and choice of our clients. So it really is, we pride ourselves in the fact that we have high attention to detail in the manufacture of our products, but that we also choose these products that give a little bit back to the community.
Right. What about the appetite for environmentally friendly products? Have you found that consumers are a lot more aware of what they're buying and what goes into making those products?
I think part of the reason why I'm on the show today is to make consumers aware of the products that is available on the market. Often we just rushing out buying a product based on impulse. We swayed by Black Friday specials and promotions, etc. But do we actually look at the quality that goes into our products and the longevity of those products? And the reality is, by making choices that's a little bit more educated, being aware that there are products available that sets the bar slightly higher, you can actually invest in pieces of furniture that's going to stay strong and fresh for longer.
Right, and of course, people would be wondering, are environmentally products more affordable than other products? I mean, what kind of the price range can consumers look forward to as they try to buy more sustainably or environmentally friendly goods?
Well, the good thing about this is that those products actually do come at a very competitive price. So as mentioned, our products are made to order. So really the prices vary from item to item according to what the client's spec is. But the fabric, the raw products as such, is priced very competitively to that which is standard available and used by most manufacturers. So the prices, I believe, are very competitive.
That's DIYgirls founder Vinette Diab joining me this morning to talk about environmentally sustainable products that you can get and that are actually quite affordable.